Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for near price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. Starting on the daily chart here, we have several scenarios. As you can see, bullish and bearish. We have two bullish scenarios. One is bearish, and starting here we have an impulse toward the upside 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, finishing a wave A, and then correction ABC for a wave B, and another impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, finishing a wave A or a wave W. In three corrective waves, of course. And then we are looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, finishing a wave A here, of course, impulsively, and then ABC for a wave B, and another impulse toward the downside for a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Finishing in this zigzag, of course, corrective wave, a wave B or a wave X, meaning you have finished three waves up, A, B, and probably we are looking for a wave C in the yellow scenario. In the magenta scenario, you are looking at W 3 waves up, zigzag 3 waves down, zigzag for X, and probably another third triple zigzag combo for a W, X, and a Y. Your wave Y target are between the 1-to-1 fib level and 0.618, while the ABC toward the upside as a regular flat is 1-to-1 and 1.05. Fib level, of course, taken from this scenario that we would like to see a regular flat as 5 waves impulsive. In case we are in bearish scenario, meaning you still have a longer correction toward the downside and then moving one more time towards higher prices. Now, if this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, of course, this is an impulse, give higher potential for the bullish scenarios because you might have an A, B, and a C for your wave C here. A, B, and a C for your Y here, or a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 for your wave C. In case we are, of course, bearish, you would like to see anyway impulse toward the downside because this might be your wave C as A, B, and a C after finishing here 3 waves up, 3 waves down, and continuation toward the upside. However, there is no such an impulse exactly in this area, so higher possibility goes exactly for the bullish because there is a lack of impulsive wave toward the downside unless we call this as kind of a leading diagonal. If we take a closer look at it, we can see, of course, that this leading diagonal might be, but of course your wave 3 looks longer than your wave 1, meaning invalidation of this leading diagonal. The last scenario, it can be, of course, triple 1-2s, but this also has been invalidated. First, here it looks much more like 3 waves rather than an impulse 1, 2, 1, 2, and here your wave 2 took the 886, meaning invalidation, of course, for 1, 2 plus losing the momentum of it toward the downside. Now, in both case scenarios, I would say to reach this bullish scenario, we need, of course, one more low and then moving for higher prices. This low, of course, is for your wave C as an A, B, and a C, of course, as a regular flat again, and reaching in between, of course, the $2.89 and the $2.74. After this, I would say, of course, bullish scenarios has higher potential, of course, from there, and to move for higher prices, probably between, of course, the 1-to-1 fib level for a WXY or a 1-to-1 fib level for a B, and a C. Now, if we take a look also on the timing for this bullish scenarios, I would say if we have a wave A here and our wave B has bottomed here, I would say a wave C for a regular flat time would extend until 1.618. Meaning inside this blue box would be a perfect scenario, of course, to finish a wave C, probably here, which is higher potential, of course, or even potential, let's say the zigzag, the WXY as a zigzag. Let's see wave Y. It would be the same, actually, the same one. So I would say whether here or probably in this area here. Here we go. Here we go. One of these targets that we would like to hit. Now, of course, when it could be, of course, in September 2025, and yeah, probably to finish this wave toward the upside. Now, this wave, of course, is looking toward the downside as impulsive because it has to be, of course, impulsive after 3 waves down, 3 waves up. And we would like to see an impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, probably as contracting diagonal as well is very, very possible for an ending diagonal. That was it for near. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.